Welcome to the new video. Today we introduce Samsung Galaxy A51. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. Unboxing Samsung Galaxy A51. Nice to meet you. It comes Haze Crush Silver, Prism Crush Blue, Prism Crush Pink, Prism Crush Black, and Prism Crush White. In this box have a quick start guide with a clear cover. Includes an ejection pin and a best quality earphone. Data cable and travel adapter. It is very helpful. Quad camera, 5MP depth, 48MP main, 12MP ultra wide, and 5MP macro. 32MP self camera. Product link in the description if you need it. SIM card tray with a memory card tray, and 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory. The memory is expandable up to 512GB, dual SIM dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It comes with on-screen fingerprint scanner. The Samsung Galaxy A51 has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display, and an Full HD and capacitive multi-touch touchscreen with 2400x1080 pixels resolution that offers an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. 16mm color support. Another display feature is wireless, and a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery was also built. Moments that you love with Galaxy A51. 48MP main camera. 3 to 5 cm macro camera with relive every moment. Discover more detail and capture more of your world. Galaxy A51 with awesome camera. Special features: dual SIM, virtual light sensing, GPS, video player, music player, proximity sensor. Powered by Android version 10.0 operating system with 2.3 GHz plus 1.7 GHz Exynos 9611 optical processor. This laptop comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for the device, and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories including batteries, from the date of purchase. Now, start exploring your Galaxy. Samsung.com. Thank you my viewers for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the new product videos. Drop your valuable comment in the comment box below. Product link in the description if you need it.